So when it comes to cost of your project, it heavily depends on what exactly the specifications and requirements for your project are. So with our RBTX team, we can consult you on what kind of robot you need and give you the full solution and then a transparent price for the whole project. Which robot is best suited for your application heavily depends on your requirements, like payload, for example. We will help you select the right robot for your specific needs, what kind of reach you have, for example. And then we will select the right kinematics, so that could either be a cobot, a 6-axis cobot, or a delta picker or gantry. So we have different kinematics with different degrees of freedom that we can offer you, and we will help you and assist you along the journey to get you a full automatic solution. All our softwares for programming the robots are super easy to use. We have an emphasis on making everything that we offer our clients as usable and as easy to integrate as possible. When it comes to integration of the different robotic systems, we have different kind of interfaces that we can use. For example, Modbus TCP/IP. The robots have DIO or digital IOs and analog DIO. So we have different interfaces that we can use. If you have a PLC, for example, that's no issue. We make it as easy as possible to integrate. When it comes to integration, you can either just choose the components that we consulted you on and integrate everything yourself and thereby save costs. Or you can choose to get a plug-and-play solution so that you get an integrator that can give you the full solution and will set everything up, program it for you so that you have no hassle at all. When it comes to safety measurements, when integrating your robot, there are different options. You have the opportunity to use a cobot and then the option to not have to enclose it or put it in a cage. That again depends on your specific application, but we will help you and consult you if you can use this robot with or without an enclosement. When it comes to selecting the right gripper, that's a very important detail of the whole solution. That heavily depends on what the geometry of your part is and the payload, and if you want to use a pneumatic or electric actuation for your gripper. And we have a lot of partners that we work with that are absolute experts on grippers, so we will consult with them to get you the right gripper for your solution. So when it comes to lowering risks, you have the opportunity to use our test before invest service. That basically means you can send us your parts and we will do a test for you here in Cologne. We will use your parts, select the right robot, select the right gripper, do a proof of concept for your application, handle the parts, make a video of it, measure the timing that we need, the cycle time, and then you will get a video and you will see that with this kind of configuration, with this robot and this gripper, we were able to handle your parts, and then you can say, okay, I want exactly this kind of setup for my application. You can either use a mechanical solution so that the parts are always in the same position for the robot to pick up. That's most likely the most low-cost solution and the easiest to implement. But if that's not an option for you, you could also use a camera system in order to detect the parts, the position of the parts, and then the robot will, with the camera, determine where to pick your part. IGUS and RBTX, we have the advantage that we are basically in every industry. We have customers in every industry, so that gives us a broad knowledge base that we can work with and a lot of experience with different kind of applications, and that obviously helps with new customers to give them a solution quickly.